These are not glued in, but you know, these do open. The front two open. These aren't supposed to, but because they're not glued in yet. Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. This time we're going to be looking at Big Rat, the piece that Joe 90 sits in the classic TV series. For scale, here is a AAA battery, and you can see I think it's about 324 mil tall, and you know, which is great. This does have a couple of secrets, which is absolutely great. Now, bear in mind, none of this is glued together. It's held in purely by itself. I would recommend gluing some of the parts. Each ring of these rings can fit into, you know, this top piece and the bottom piece. I would recommend gluing the 18 rings that aren't openable into, and then they'll remain steady, as you can see, without glue. This one shifts slightly, but that's because these leaves, these two leaves at the front, they need to open to allow ingress and egress of Joe into his seat. So they do open on purpose, but the others, you know, they're all pretty solid. The other secret is it spins. It actually spins. And this is difficult one-handed, but yeah, it does actually spin. Sorry about that. Try again. I'm on a glossy surface. Right, so to explore it, as I said, the two front rings, they open and close to allow Joe ingress and egress into his seat there. And I'll just zoom in. There we go. So that's his seat there. That fits into the column here, and then the rings fit into here. It actually turns here, so this is the turning point here, and then you've got the track which comes out the front. Now you've got an option, you can cut it off there for save space, or you can glue in the longer piece which fits here to make it you know, a good length, as it were. So that's that there. I'll just move that battery. The other parts that come with it is there is a silver cylinder, which I've left the brim on there, and that fits under. I'll try and show you. Sorry, that fits under the seat, under the platform to the left hand side. That fits under there. There is a spare. If I can get it picked up, there is a spare piece here, and I'll show you. That's a locking piece, and I'll show you what that's for in a moment. And then you've got all the pegs, which they fit under here into holes here. There are holes, but they just need taking out, popping out. The material there just needs popped out, and they fit into the holes there. So with regards to fitting all this, they literally just slide out like so, and then I'll try and show you. Sorry about this. And then it's literally a piece, and obviously that would have orange front and silver grey sides to it, and as you can see, it fits all nicely into recessed holes there. Joe's seat will pop out. There you go, with a nice, and that's Joe's seat there. You can see, pop that out, and then we've got that top platform, and then you've got other pieces here, which I'm not going to take apart, otherwise the whole thing will fall apart. Now here comes the difficulty bit. I'm going to turn it over to try and show you. Up at the top, I'm sorry about this, this is really difficult to do on your own. Oh, try again. Right, okay. Can you see there is a locking piece here, which allows the two openable leaves to open, and that is obviously a direct correlation with this piece here, which I can't get in focus right now, but that fits into there and keeps those two leaves open, if you can see there. So that is Big Rat from Joe 90. Literally easiest thing to assemble. You just pop the leaves in, and I'll just come out again. Pop the leaves in, and yeah, that is it's an absolute masterpiece. If I can say so myself, I absolutely love this piece. It's going to go to a good friend, and you know, the design will be available on Etsy, and I hope you enjoy it. Print it out for yourself, and let me know what you think in the comments. Any questions, any queries, etc. Just drop some comments, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. And just to finish off, this is it disassembled. I will quickly show you again. So this piece slots in here, and then these pieces combined with this, which slots into there. These pieces fit into there. This piece here fits on top of there. But I will show you the, where is it? This cylinder will sit, when I take the brim off, it will sit here. These pegs will fit inside the, I can't focus, let me focus, there we are, will fit inside these, which have it removed, so they fit inside there like so. And then this platform sits here, and then Joe's seat fits into thus. And then obviously you've got the top piece, and then see the top piece has that recess for that sort of semicircular, not really semicircular, but you know, shaped piece, locking piece, which fits into there, and that allows the piece to open. So yeah, that is Joe 90.